Yo, YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Corey. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and welcome back. Today is the first day of Vlogmas and I figured I'd hit you guys with a quick, easy money-making tip that you can do right now from the comfort of your home within the next 10 minutes without any skills, no prior knowledge. All you need is unwanted items that you just have laying around your house. And what I'm talking about is selling items on the app called Mercari. So let's go ahead and get right to it. So if you're anything like me, I'm sure you guys probably got sneakers, iPhones, computers, electronic devices, headphones, anything that you're not using anymore, but that's in good condition. That's the key word. Make sure the stuff is in good condition. Just don't be posting crap on there. It's not gonna sell. But things that are in good condition that you're just not using anymore, why not get some extra dollars out of it if you can, right? All right, so you're gonna go ahead and open up the app, hit sell. Make sure you go ahead and take a nice crispy photo of your item. Make sure you're in good lighting. As you can see, Mercari auto-detected that I took a picture of Easy Boost. Make sure that's correct if it does auto-detect your item. Type in a short description of what it is you're selling. Be sure to be honest with your buyer. If you're not selling new item, make sure that is known. Like I'm letting it be known that there's no box. I highly recommend to use all three hashtags. Use hashtags that help boost your item and sell for buyers that are on Mercari looking to buy Yeezys. The next thing that I highly recommend doing is paying for shipping. If that is an issue, account for it in your price, because people are going to try and lowball you on Mercari. So I highly recommend that you pay for shipping. It makes it seem cheaper if there's free shipping on there. And the next tip that I recommend is after you list your item, calculate this in your cost as well. Click promote. That's going to boost your item in the sales category, and Mercari is going to take 5% off to charge you for that. So I highly recommend that, and that'll allow your item to be sold very quickly. All right, so here's a look at all the items that I sold within a few days. What I really want to talk about are these Jordan Taxi 12s. I posted them about 8 o'clock in the morning, and I accepted an offer about 30 minutes later. They were just sitting around. I know a lot of sneakerheads are going to be like, oh, you could have got a lot more for them. I was experimenting. They've been sitting in my closet for over 4 years, and I don't care about that. I can take that $140 and I can put it you can buy some stocks with that. So that doesn't really matter to me. All right, the final tip that I would like to point out is packaging. Make sure when you guys are getting ready to send out your items that you're paying attention to how you pack them. Because what happens on Mercari is you don't actually receive your money until your buyer receives the item and rates you. So it could be about a 5 to 7 day turnaround before you actually get the money into your account. But packaging, as you can see, all my buyers have made mention of my packaging. I pay close attention to how I package my items. Want to shout out Alex here. He says, my man wrapped it good in bubble wrap. The shoes came in excellent condition as described. 10 out of 10 experience. So definitely pay attention to your packaging. All right, so that's gonna do it for today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and smash that subscribe button. And comment below, let me know what you're gonna be selling on Mercari. Let me know if you've sold anything and anything you plan on selling. And like I said, we're doing Vlogmas this year. I'm coming with tips. We're gonna have a little fun. And I'm gonna come at you guys every day with a video. So other than that, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.